Hi friends, this is Parvati from AHPRA REGISTRATION. Welcome to my channel. I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my videos. Also, you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. Today we are discussing here the AHPRA procedure. This is the video number 3. I already done 2 videos. If you want, you can check the link in description box. That first 2 steps I mentioned in that 2 videos. Okay. So today we are discussing here the AHPRA procedure for the good standing certificate for Abu Dhabi, otherwise it's also known as current professional status certificate. Okay, how we want to apply for this one? That are the main steps we are discussing here today. So first, before this one, we want account in, or otherwise if you don't have, you want to create it account in UAE Pass and TAM also. Okay, that means the first slide I mentioned here, the TAM screen. Once if you search in the TAM, it's open like this. Then there is sign in option in the right side. So you want to select it, that sign in option. Then the screen is open like this. Sign in with UAE Pass. So that's why I told you we want account in UAE Pass. Then only we can forward this procedure. Okay. So if you don't have, you should create it one account in UAE Pass also. Then sign in with UAE Pass, you can choose it, that option. Then the screen is open like this. Log in to UAE Pass. For the UAE Pass, you can log in through Emirates ID, email or the phone number. Whatever the registered phone number, that one you can use it here. So you can enter your email ID, then login option you can select it. Then the screen is open like this. They will send a verification code to your UAE Pass. So that means you want to open your UAE Pass, that application in the phone. Then you can confirm the verification code, confirm the code in your UAE Pass application and log in by using with your password in the UAE Pass. So it will open in the screen. So your account will be open in the TAM. Then what we want to do it, before the current professional status certificate, we want to confirm it one thing. Your professional details, that means your license details is updated, or it's already we can find from the if it's possible to find from the TAM, that one we want to confirm it. So we want to confirm it, that one we want to select the workspaces in the screen. I mentioned one arrow in the red color. You can choose that option, workspaces. Then the screen is open like this. Department of Health, so many procedures, so many departments are opening on there, so many government entities opening on there. So you should select the Department of Health, that means DOH. Then the screen is open like this. So many other icons is there. From that one, the first one, I think it start from birth, that so many details. So you should scroll down. Then you can find the healthcare professional licenses. You want to choose it, that one. Then the screen is open like the next slide I mentioned here, the professionals, whatever your professional details, your license number details, everything will be, you can find it from here. If you don't find it your license details here, that means you want to update it, your license details, or otherwise it's very difficult. Okay. So one more method is there. 2 methods I am describing here today, but both we want the professional details here. So that's why if you don't have, you should update it, that one. Then you can find this one. Then again we can go back to the main screen. Whatever the first screen, once your ID, the TAM account is open, that means you are entering through your UAE Pass. Then the screen is open like this. You should choose the government entities. Then the same screen, the first screen, whatever we find it, the same one we are using here also. So the government entities, you can choose it. Then the screen is open like this. So many other department is there. From that one, you want to choose the Department of Health, DOH. Whatever I mark it here by the arrow, you want to choose it, that one. Then the screen is open like this, Department of Health. So many departments you can find from there. From that one you want to scroll down, then you can find it issue professional status certificate. One area is there, you can choose it that one, whatever I mentioned here by the arrow, you want to choose it that one. Okay, then the screen is open like this, issue professional status certificate. Actually I mentioned the screen by 3 slides because it's very difficult to put in one slide, so that's why. So the issue professional status certificate, whatever the documents we wanted, they already mentioned their Emirates ready and your health license details. These details we want, and then you can choose this one. That means you can start the issue professional status certificate on the from the right side you can find it, the start icon, so you can start that one, the procedures you can start from there. Okay, then once you click the start button it will open like this. So you want to upload the documents on there, then you can submit the application. These are the only procedure we want to do it for this one. This one have no payment, so it will be we can download it that form from the TAM, and also it will receive in your mail ID also. And the whatever the body concern mail ID I mentioned in the end of this slide, you can use it that one, because body to body we want to send it. That means DOH, we send it directly to the Australian Pharmacy Council. So that means the AHPRA side they want to send it directly. So that's why I mentioned the mail IDs and address at the end of this video. So you can find it from there. You can mail it that one, and one area is there, you can enter the details on there also. Okay, this is the first method for this one. And the second method, you can also find it this one from our Shafafia. Everybody know that one, our DOH site, Department of Health. So you can choose the Department of Health e-services. Then this tab is open like this. From this one we want to choose it the professionals. One icon I mentioned here, that area you want to select it. Then the screen is open like this. Professionals manage the secondment of healthcare professional, and the second option it's coming, request a current professional status certificate. You should select that option. Whatever I mentioned by the arrow here, you can choose it same as that one. Then the tab is open like whatever we already check in the, whatever we already find in the previous slides, the same tab will be open like this. This is the easiest one. Then you can sign in with your sign in to start. That means we want to open with UAE Pass. That means sign in with UAE Pass. It will directly the same procedure we want to repeat it here also. Then we can directly enter to the UAE Pass, sign into the UAE Pass, the verification code, everything you enter it, it will open like, directly open like this, request a current professional status certificate. The same screen will directly open. So we want to verify for we want to enter our license details here, license number. Then once you enter the license number, you can choose the next option in the downside. Then it will open like this, the same one for the document uploading. You can upload your Emirates ID and the health license details. Then you can submit the application. At the end of the slide, I mentioned the details of the concerned body. This is the mail ID, we want to enter it there, and address also I mentioned here. These are the details we want to enter in that one. And the Abu Dhabi mail ID also I mentioned in the next slide. You can use it that one. If it's not possible, if you didn't get it, if you didn't find it through these apps, you can also mail to them. They will reply it. If you didn't receive within 2 days or 3 days, you should contact them, or otherwise you can contact through the mail. this is the mail ID for Abu Dhabi. Okay, thank you. Today I'm just wind up here. Please support me. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos. Also, you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. Okay, once again, thank you.